Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and thank you for being here for this tutorial. And today I'm going to talk about ACT Premium Cloud and the fact that it is web-based software. And often I'm asked, how do I know my internet speed is fast enough that it will easily run ACT Premium Cloud? Now I cannot give you an absolute number on the best speed to determine whether or not ACT Premium Cloud will work for you. I don't know your web speed, I don't know the internet speed of this tool, and I've got different indications. Having said that, one of the advantages of using ACT is ACT also has desktop software that you can use when you're offline or if you have a slow internet connection. So you can combine the power of both the ACT Premium Cloud and the ACT Desktop very easily. But there's two tools that I use when trying to give people a sense of how fast their internet is. And this just in general is good to know about. The first one is the website fast.com. Fast.com is powered by Netflix, and it just allows people to see the speed of their internet connection. Now that's something that was recommended to me not too long ago. But there was a tool, or a website I should say, that I've used in the past that is speakeasy.net. It's the speed test. Now again, the speed test on the Netflix site, my speed was 450 megabytes per second. Here, it's 937 megabytes per second. And for whatever reason, I find this tool is showing it twice as fast as the fast.com. Now, why is that? I really don't know. So just use this as a simple indication of your speed. Also, it tells me my upload speed. So when I download, when I go to click on something and I'm pulling that information in, that's the download speed. But if I'm uploading, that's the upload speed. And traditionally, the upload speed is much slower than the download speed. And that's good. The download is really what you're looking at. So these are two ways you can test or see what your speed is. And again, these are not absolutes. They're just gauges or a way to judge the approximate speed. What my experience has been is that we recommend, if you don't have at least 50 megabytes per second Mbps, then maybe you shouldn't be considering the cloud version of ACT. But again, that's a general rule of thumb, and I don't think it's an absolute. Anyway, that's how you test. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a good one. Bye now.